morning, Year 2s. Hope you are doing well. Our math lesson for today is about making patterns with 2D shapes. So we will be making patterns with 2D shapes. So our key vocabulary is pattern. What is a pattern? Pattern is a repeated decorative design or shape. In Arabic, we call it nama. Repeating or repeated is something that is done or occurred several times in the same way. Triangle is a 2D shape that has 3 sides and a circle. All of you know what a circle is. Now, our success criteria, all of you must understand how to make patterns with 2D shapes, and you get 1 star. Most of you should make patterns with 2D shapes and show the repeating part of each pattern, and you get 2 stars. And some of you could independently design your own pattern question. Now, before we start our lesson, I would love to invite you, as usual, to do this starter. What 2-digit numbers can you make using these number cards, 6, 7, and 8? For example, 6 and 7 make 67. I put it here. So 67 is bigger than, and you complete. Start by the biggest number here. Start by the greatest 2-digit number and complete this comparison. I think there are more possibilities. For example, 7, 8 and 7, 87, bigger than 78, bigger than 67, and so on. Well, alright, so making patterns with 2D shapes, let's discover that all together. So this is a pattern, but it's incomplete. You have to complete the pattern using one of these options. So which option is missing in this pattern? Can you give it a try? So 1 square, circle, then diamond, circle, square, circle, diamond, circle, square, circle. What's next? Look at the repeated shapes. B. What shape would be in position 20? If we continue to draw this pattern, what shape will be in position 20? 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 20. So what shape would be in position 20? Let's discover that all together. A. The options are A, diamond and triangle. B, square and circle. C, diamond and circle. And D, circle and square. So I know it cannot be A because there are no triangles in the pattern. It cannot be A because there are no triangles repeated in the pattern. So 4 shapes are repeated to make the pattern. Have a look at this. So 1 square, then circle, then diamond, then circle, square, then circle, then. So to work out the answer, we need to find the part of the pattern that repeats, then compare the repeating pattern to find the missing shapes. So option C is the correct answer. Diamond and circle. Diamond and circle. So I will now compare the repeating part to find the missing shapes. So the missing shapes are diamond and circle. These are the shapes that are repeated in this pattern. Great. B. Question B. Let's solve question B all together. I can see that even numbers always have a circle. So if I continue to draw the shapes and try to finish this pattern, I notice that the even numbers always have a circle. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So the 20th shape must be a circle, because I can see that the even numbers always have circle. Even number is a number that can be divided by 2. Great. So this is a pattern. Now, let's think together. So can you find the repeating parts to complete the pattern? What are the missing shapes? This is a normal triangle and these two upside down triangles. So one regular triangle and two upside down triangles. And one regular triangle and two upside down triangles. So what's next? It should be one regular triangle like this one and two upside down triangles. So I will first work out the part that repeats. Which part that repeats? And you can do it. Question 2. What shape will be in position 15? So we've got this pattern, 2 circles and 2 upside down triangles and 1 regular triangle. Then again 2 circles, they are repeated, and 2 upside down triangles repeated and 1 regular triangle. Then what's next? 2 circles and 2 upside down triangles and 1 regular triangle. So which shape will be in position 15? I will draw the pattern to position 15. Let's do it together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 2 circles, then 2 upside down triangles and 1 regular triangle. So the shape that will be in position 15 is a regular triangle. That is your answer. You can do it on your notebook. Well done. Now, question number 3, and this is a challenge. Some of you could make it. Describe each pattern to your partner or to your brother or to your sister. Just draw the missing shapes for each pattern. A. We've got a triangle and on top of it we've got square. And again, square is attached to a triangle. And again, triangle on top of it, square. It's repeated. So can you finish the pattern? Draw the missing shapes. So this should be repeated here and these shapes should be repeated here. It's very easy, you can draw it. B. We've got green circles and yellow. 2 green circles and yellow circle. 2 green circles and yellow circle. Then it should be 2 green circles and yellow circle here. C. You can do C as well. This for you to do it on your notebook. Just draw the missing shapes on your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you for listening to your teacher, and now it's time to do your online task. See you.